NeoMetrix Technologies equips engineering and manufacturing businesses with reverse engineering and metrology solutions, expert 3D modeling, and industrial-grade additive manufacturing. We are one of only a few teams that can do all three with true industrial performance. We enable faster product development, better parts, and higher quality results. In engineering, precision is power, and NeoMetrix delivers it on every front. Complex parts, zero guesswork, 3D scanning and reverse engineering make it possible. Our scanning arsenal is built around the newest Creeform metrology systems and the next-gen Creeform OS platform. Lightning fast tracking, high-density data, rock-solid accuracy in real manufacturing environments. If it has a surface, our 3D scanners can capture it. Our reverse engineering solutions include Geomagic Design X, the best software tool for transforming 3D scans into production-ready CAD, and Control X to compare physical parts against their original CAD models to ensure quality and safety. And when it's time to build, we bring serious firepower. The new FunMet Pro 310 Apollo by Intamsys is designed for high-temp polymers like PEEK, PEC, and PAKE that thrive in extreme environments. BigRep large-format 3D printing systems specialize in producing massive functional parts across industries like aerospace, automotive, and marine. Markforged 3D printers lead the charge in composite and metal components that replace machine tooling, taking businesses' product development and manufacturing capabilities to the next level. Better data, smarter models, stronger parts. Contact us today for more info.